So in the last video, we looked at step 1, converting the velocity. Let's take a look at step 2, convert kilonewtons into newtons. So we're going to take a look at this value right here. So negative 100 kilonewtons. Now step 3, we're going to talk about solving for the acceleration. And that has to do with understanding Newton's second law. So Newton's second law is force is equal to mass times acceleration. And that formula uses the unit Newton. So we need to convert kilonewtons into newtons. So this step is going to be very straightforward. All we have to do is we get that negative 100 kilonewtons. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the conversion factor. So we are going to multiply by the ratio. And so kilo is on the top. So kilo needs to be on the bottom. So we go kilonewtons. And then we're going to put newtons on the top. And then the ratio is 1 kilonewton is equal to 1,000 newtons. So we just multiply that across. So negative 100 kilonewtons multiplied by 1,000 equals negative 100,000 newtons. Let's check that our units canceled out. That cancels out. That cancels out. So we see that we're left with negative 100,000. And that is step 2.